Abdullah Ocalan's call was very important and meaningful because it stresses the need for a political solution to the Kurdish question. This implies that the national and cultural rights of Kurdish people must be finally implemented and recognized after having been so often denied. And we know how peace also is also needed for gender equality, democracy, and social progress. This call for peace does not only regard the Kurds, but also all the peoples of the region. Today, all the peoples of the region are threatened by imperialist ambitions, ethnic nationalism, and Islamism. And as French Communist Party, we demand the immediate release of all political prisoners in Turkey imprisoned by the Turkish government. This regards Abdullah Öcalan and all Kurdish and Turkish political prisoners. As French Communist Party, we are putting pressure on the French government to take action in this direction and to put pressure on the Turkish government to implement concretely Abdullah Öcalan's call. For us, only peace will enable common progresses for all peoples, social and democratic common progress. Thank you very much.